Hey guys, it's Holly. Welcome to Living It Country. Today we are in the tiny home and I'm gonna be sharing with you guys some updates, some things we've done that you guys haven't seen yet. And if you guys hear some noise, I will be sharing what's going on right now next to our party barn later on in today's video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I wanna start off with sharing something Jason just did, which he installed our doorknobs. And I purposely made it so it had a little bit of contrast with the gold and that black matte finish. And this is the Country entry set with the New York style knobs. I love this. This adds so much character, not only with this doorknob, but also with this gold element. And I'm gonna share with you guys the other side here when we go outside. But I love this style. And the front entry door also complements it really well. We decided to go with two different styles with that same color, just to add some spice and some fun to it. Right here we have the New York handle set, and I just think it is so unique, and just like its name, Nostalgic Warehouse, it just has that nostalgic feeling, and I wanted to do the best job I could of adding as much warmth and character to this home and make it not feel exactly new, but also, you know, add that little bit of character to it. And obviously this is something I'm not a professional at, so I'm really learning as I'm going and having a lot of fun with it. So we just recently got our cabinets in from Click Studios, and we decided to go with, we had the option to do the same cabinet color as in our house. We decided to do something a little bit lighter. I thought that would be fun to kind of switch it up. And so we have our cabinet pulls. So we have this gorgeous one. Everything is the same color from Nostalgic Warehouse. So we have these and they're so heavy. And then we have our cabinet pulls right here. Excuse my nails because I don't ever get my nails done, and I tried doing them at home and they've already gone away. This has to be my favorite cabinet pull. How darling is that? I was gonna share it with you guys on our kitchen cabinets to just show you guys what it's going to look like installed, but I didn't take into consideration that I'd have to screw it in my cabinets and then it would ruin my cabinets. So I did not want to do that, so you guys will see this a little bit later. Here's the exterior of what the back door knobs look like. I think they complement this door so well. And we actually also recently just hired our contractor to make this awning. So we needed to make sure we protected this doorway and not bring any, rain into our home. And so they just whipped this up, and it was kind of a last minute decision, but it needed to be done. So we're still working on doing the Trex back here. Jason's been hard at work doing that on our front porch. And so we'll have a little staircase down here, and it's just looking phenomenal. Okay guys, here is the front entryway. This is the one you guys have seen the most because I continuously share it on YouTube Shorts. I love it so much. I think that it probably has to be my favorite doorknob of all times, and I get lots of questions from where it's from. So it is from Nostalgic Warehouse. You are getting the first sneak peek of the flooring. We actually started this at, 6:30, 7 o'clock at night a few nights ago, and I don't want to step on it because I have sand on my shoes from the projects outside. But we just installed this flooring. I was in the house cooking kids' dinner and Jason was working on it. But I love it. It's light, bright, and then we also painted it. You can see the difference of the sheetrock versus the paint. We decided to go with the same paint color as inside our home because we already had it in stock, and I'm like, why change it up? It's just more, paint to store, and then it gets confusing with, storing it. So we decided to do that. We ran out of it, which means we used it and need to purchase more, and it's, I think, called Silver Ash by Behr. Is that correct? Silver Ash by Behr. So we love it. It's been great, and it's got like that green tint to it, but in here it kind of has a green tint to it. So I love it. It's bright in here. It's very, very welcoming and exactly what I envisioned. So I'm very, very happy with that. We are now in the party barn, and if you take a peek around, which I'm sure Jason will show you guys, it's pretty much just a room full of boxes, which is why First of all, nothing has been finished in here because it's turned into a mini garage for now. And second of all, we are working on just the tiny home so that we can get that finished before my mom's house sells, which I think our next video is going to be a home tour of her home, which I'm really excited about. I wanted to share her home before she starts decorating for Christmas. That way, if the house does not sell, then we can share a Christmas home tour. I thought that'd be fun. So she has been doing a lot of thrifting. So I'm hoping my mom finds some great Christmas finds that she will share. But I wanted to share with you guys, I've got my collection out here. In fact, this is where I've organized all of my doorknobs, my cabinet pulls, everything, so that when it's ready to install, it was like bam, 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 bam. So I wanted to share with you guys the doorknobs for all the interior doors. So we have 4 doors. We have the bathroom door, the master, we have the laundry door, and then the utility door. And so we got 2 of them that lock, 2 of them that don't. So this is what it'll look like. And like I said, I was gonna share it with you guys installed, but it will leave those 4 screws into our home. We do have the doors in the garage. And we use the same exact doors as in our home because we wanted it to be cohesive and we love them. So it works out great, right? So we're gonna take you guys now outside. There's a lot of noise, so bear with us. And I'm gonna share with you guys the paver patio. We have 1,200 or 1,400 square feet.
For the first part.
For the first part. And it's going to be an area, in our backyard, we have a mountain view. And it's kind of the only spot of our property where you can see the mountains. So we are gonna have like fire pit with chairs, we're gonna have loungers, and it's gonna be a great place to just hang out. And then to the left of us, we're gonna continue it in front of a concrete pad, and it's gonna be a great place to put our basketball hoop, hang out, and just have a good time. And so we're really thinking futuristic with our kids and ourselves, and we're really excited to share that with you. So we have our buddy, That Yard Guy, Adam, his wife and crew here, and they're gonna be installing our Belgard pavers. So we're really excited, so let's go outside. This is the left side of the party barn. We already have concrete right here, and we are continuing the pavers over here to the side of our shop, and they're getting all the sand down now. We just got that delivered a few days ago, and I'm gonna take you guys over to all of the pallets of the pavers. I haven't even looked at what this looks like. In fact, we planned it, I think it was back in September or October, we picked the pavers, and I haven't looked at the design since. So we're gonna go over there. Here it is right here. We went with the Avalon slate. It's a beautiful gray color, very natural looking. It goes with the color palette that goes really well with everything on the exterior of our builds. It goes with our patio furniture. It goes with the tiny home. It goes with our home. So we are very, very excited about it. Here we have our border right here. And this is about 2/3 of the order so far. So more to come. And I'm excited to share with you guys how we style it, how we use it functionally, and this is definitely going to be a place where we hang out quite a bit. So we're very excited. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in our next one. Bye.